Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in the Chuwi FreeBook. This is the first generation, the i215. So the reason I'm replacing this battery is completely shot. The only way the laptop turns on is through the charger. So I've had this laptop ever since it first came out, and now it's completely dead. So I use this every day. It's a very good laptop. I use it for pretty much everything. So as you can see, now it's powering on. And once I disconnect it, it cuts off. So I brought a new battery, and I'm gonna show you how to sit there and replace it. So if you flip it around, you're going to see multiple Phillips: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so now we're gonna get the Phillips. Magnetic will be helpful. I can't find mine, so I'll be using this Phillips with a magnet tape to it. Once you got the Phillips sticking out, you want to remove it from the back side where the hinges are and lift up and pull out. Set that aside, and that exposes the internal components. Turn it around, and you can see the big battery at the bottom. So we're going to pull back this. Be careful. You're going to lift this up. And you got Phillips 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now we're going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to hold both sides of the tab and pull towards you. And then we can lift up and take it off from the frame. I forgot one more screw. Alright. And then remove this little, I believe, antenna. It's just held on by some adhesive. So here's the new battery. I'm gonna take it out. Alright, so now we're gonna compare it to the old battery, make sure all the tabs is in the exact same locations, and make sure that the connector is also the same. So everything matches up. Set that aside, and then we can take this out of the packaging, and we are going to begin reinstalling the new battery. And then we're going to look at the information on the battery, make sure everything is exactly the same, as you can see. But you don't have to worry about it. I'll list the direct link to this battery. That way you can guarantee you are getting the right battery for your laptop. And all the models that use the same exact battery will also be in the description of this video. So we're going to lay it back in this place. Lift this up and put it back underneath. Make sure all the holes also line up with the battery. Get the little antenna, stick it back to the side of the battery. I'm gonna put it underneath the connector. Reroute it. Now we're going to put the Phillips heads back in. Alright, last one's in, so now we're going to reconnect the battery. Make sure that stays in place. Alright, reconnect it. put this little tape or whatever it's called back on top where it was originally. And now we can put the back plate back on. So put it in an angle and then let it drop. Alright, so now we're gonna flip it over and turn it on. I'm gonna hit the power button. Alright, blue light, it got life to it. So the battery's working. The laptop no longer has to stay connected into a charger, just a power. So that's how to replace the battery in your Chuwi FreeBook and any other laptops with the same battery. I'll have it in the description of this video. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.